Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
Hi everyone, welcome to Cancun. We are actually waiting to get our tickets to board a ferry that will take us to Isla Mujeres. It's a little island off of the coast of Cancun. We can't wait to get there. We've heard so many good things about the water and how clear and clean it is. Before you're able to board, you have to click this button and it gives you either a red or a green light. If you get a red light, they have to check your belongings. If you get a green light, that means you pass. I don't know how that determines whether or not you should get checked. Here's the little YouTuber Mia Perez. She loves to take her camera everywhere she goes and she just documents her own little life, which I think is super cute. Crossing from Cancun, which is actually the Juarez port, but in Spanish they say Puerto Juarez. It takes 15 minutes, so it's super quick and you get a beautiful view of the ocean and the crystal clear blue waters.
We made it to Isla de Mujeres, and now we're gonna go get something to eat.
So people tend to drive golf carts more often in Isla de Mujeres, especially tourists. That's what we drive. So we're gonna park this little golf cart and we're gonna go inside and get some breakfast and then head out to our next adventure. We found this beautiful beach, very calm waters, and I'm pretty sure you can find it. The island is super small, so you'll probably get to visit every single beach on the island itself.
My name is Giancarlo, And I am at Cancun and Playa de las Mujeres. Isla de las Mujeres. I'm sick right now. I have the dose. I hate it, but I like the playa. Here, can you take a picture?
Oh no.
Can I
Are
see
you
it?
okay? No.
My armpits, nor my head. Nor my throat.
We're going to explore the island and see what we find. Ready? Oh, and I got sunburned. It's so red. It hurts. So I'm gonna put this over me because the pain is real. Oh, you have to lock it? Are you driving? Alright, don't go, don't press it.
Don't press it.
Okay.
And don't press it.
Good luck, Sheryl.
Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine. Wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet.
It's my turn to drive the golf cart, and I'll be taking us to Tortuga Granja. It's an aquarium that has indoor and outdoor pools for turtles. We'll get to learn about the different species and get to shop around the gift shop. Admission fees are $3, but in pesos it's 30 pesos. They gave us little bags so that we could feed the turtles. Now we're on our way to explore more of the island. It's amazing how hard kids work in Mexico, particularly that I've seen. I know there's hardworking kids in other countries, but you see less of this in the United States. You see more kids using tablets and iPads, and obviously that's not every kid, but for the most part. And so this is, to me, the real meaning of hustling as a kid. You do what you can to get the money that you need to help your family and yourself.
Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet.
Yeah, my dog.
Matt.
Hello, Matt.
Yeah, he's sad because we came. Yeah.
What are you doing? You're driving us?
Yeah.
Wow, where are we going?
I don't think she has a clue where she's going.
Driving.
Okay, a little bit. Push it a little bit. You're dangerous, girl. When we go straight, yeah, when we go. You drive and he's gonna push it. You drive it, babe. No, just like a car.
We found some cocos on the road and we had to stop and try them. On our way back to the main part of the island, we got convinced to take this boat ride, and I think it was a cherry on the top because we got to explore, scuba dive, and go on this amazing tour. We were so lucky to find a starfish. When we saw it, it looked so beautiful. We went scuba diving in the middle of the ocean and then quickly swam back to the boat because we thought there was a snake. Make sure to subscribe, like this video if you liked it, and I'll have more videos of Tulum and Cancun and all the things that we did so that when you go, you know what you want to do and you are not taken by surprise. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Bye.